24. Grand Highlander. And we're going to take her apart. Now it's the door panel. Pop this guy out of your way. Come on. Move. Alright, pop him out of the way. Out of the way. This little wonderful overpriced piece of carpet also gets pulled up and out of the way. Revealing one screw here. Get off. And one screw here. Now let's see if that's all she wrote. Let's pause it and try to get this thing off. Alright, so we started pulling and we felt friction. It's pulling back. So we figured, okay, there's another screw, and there is. It's hidden underneath this little handle. Carefully, Wesley. Carefully. In the corner where you don't see, and you pull this guy upward. Upward. Revealing our other screw. Now we unplug. Come on, puppy. It's difficult with one hand. Pull, 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 pull. That's what we're going to do. And to get the rest of it off, there's little clips right there. Get in between these two, and the handle stays. And that is what I love to see. Let me show you. Pull this guy off. And let me show you. Grab this guy. And you want to go in between the two. Because these little legs right here get clipped in there. And it pops out. Now, let's do door mirror. One screw. Clip. Right here. Which I think these are what it is. These are telling you where this is. This is telling you where this is. So this, see that? I didn't see that till now, but I already took it off, so too late. 10 mils. 1, 2, 3. Let's take them out, see if the firmware comes out. Let's do it. With all three out, see, the mirror does want to come out. So let's get her out and see what's holding her up. I think there's a clip. Yeah, see that? All right, I'm not gonna do that. You need both hands. You gotta push this guy down. They did it so it doesn't fall out. So when you take the 3 screws out, it doesn't just fall out. So you don't want to do that. You need 2 hands. Take her out, and there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.